Guys, today we're diving into one of the most extreme, most powerful, and most commanding SUVs to ever come out of China, the M-Hero 917. And believe me, this thing isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling powerhouse. A military-inspired beast that looks like it could drive through an apocalypse and come out on the other side without a single scratch. So buckle up, because this review is gonna be hot, and once you see what this monster can do, you'll understand why it's shaken up the global SUV scene. Now, first things first, the M-Hero 917 is China's bold answer to the world's top luxury performance SUVs. Think of names like the GMC Hummer EV, the Rivian R1S, or even the Lamborghini Urus. But the M-Hero doesn't just want to compete, it wants to dominate. This SUV is built by Dongfeng Motor, one of China's largest automakers, under its high-end sub-brand Mengshi, which literally means warrior. So yeah, this isn't your regular city cruiser. This is a high-tech, all-terrain powerhouse designed to conquer anything that stands in its way. From the first glance, you can tell this thing means business. The M-Hero 917's design screams military inspiration from every angle. The front end is absolutely brutal, with squared shoulders, sharp LED matrix headlights, and a commanding grille that looks ready to devour the road. The stance is wide, confident, and unmistakably tough. The front fascia includes integrated light bars and strong bumpers that give it that off-road, combat-ready presence. This is not some soft luxury SUV pretending to be tough. It is tough. You get high ground clearance, underbody protection, and thick off-road tires that look more at home on a battlefield than a boulevard. The standard wheel setup features 22-inch alloys with large off-road tires, giving it the perfect mix of grip, presence, and stability. And from the rear, it's just as aggressive: square tail lights, upright proportions, and a design language that's clean yet imposing. Now, let's talk about what really makes the M-Hero 917 a world-class powerhouse. Underneath that bold design lies one of the most advanced performance systems in China's SUV world. The M-Hero 917 comes in two versions, a fully electric version and a range-extended plug-in hybrid version, both delivering incredible performance figures that rival the best from the West. The all-electric version packs a stunning 1,073 horsepower, thanks to 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, giving it true all-wheel drive capability. The acceleration? Absolutely wild. Despite its massive size, the M-Hero 917 rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds. That's sports car territory for an SUV that weighs around 3,000 kilograms. It's a performance level comparable to the Tesla Model X Plaid or Hummer EV. The range-extended hybrid version, on the other hand, combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a powerful electric drive system, producing a total output of about 800 horsepower. The engine primarily acts as a generator to recharge the battery, ensuring consistent performance and range anxiety, a smart move for long-distance and off-road travel. For the electric version, Dongfeng fitted a massive 142.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering a range of up to 505 kilometers, 314 miles on a single charge under Chinese CLT standards. It also supports fast charging, allowing 30 to 80% charge in under 25 minutes. Impressive for a vehicle this powerful and heavy. For the range-extended version, total range can reach up to 1,032 kilometers, 641 miles when combining both the battery and the fuel tank, giving it an unmatched sense of freedom. This flexibility means it's equally capable of handling urban commutes and remote expeditions without the need for constant charging stops. The M-Hero 917 features a highly advanced electric four-wheel drive system with torque vectoring, allowing each motor to be controlled independently. That means it can adapt to mud, sand, snow, or rocky terrains instantly. Its off-road capabilities are further enhanced by adaptive air suspension and a chassis that can wade through up to 900 millimeters of water, tackle 45-degree slopes, and handle 35-degree side inclines with confidence. This isn't a vehicle that fears nature. Nature fears it. Step inside and you'll find the M-Hero 917 is just as luxurious as it is powerful. The cabin merges rugged design with high-end craftsmanship. You'll find premium leather, metal trim, and modern technology throughout. It feels like a mix between a fighter jet cockpit and a luxury lounge. Front and center is a massive digital dashboard and large infotainment screen, joined by a fully digital driver's display. The system runs on Huawei's Harmony OS, providing smart connectivity, AI-based voice control, navigation, and entertainment. Everything feels futuristic and intuitive, with features like 360-degree cameras and intelligent off-road displays showing terrain, torque, and suspension data. The M-Hero 917 is available in both 5-seat and 7-seat configurations. The seats are plush, ventilated, and adjustable with memory functions, ensuring both driver and passengers enjoy top-level comfort. Even the second-row seats offer a first-class experience with abundant space and luxury detailing. When you close the doors, it's nearly silent inside, thanks to excellent insulation and the natural quietness of electric power. The cabin feels secure, refined, and serene no matter the terrain outside. Now, while the M-Hero 917 looks like a tank, it's important to clarify, the production model is not armored. There's no official version with bulletproof glass, explosive resistance, or weaponized defense systems. The SUV's design and branding are inspired by military toughness, but it's meant for civilian use with exceptional engineering and durability, not combat. However, private companies could theoretically add aftermarket armoring for customers who want that extra layer of protection. Behind the wheel, the M-Hero 917 delivers a surprisingly refined experience. The acceleration is instant and smooth, the steering is balanced, and the ride quality, thanks to adaptive suspension, is excellent both on highways and off-road trails. You feel the power immediately, yet the vehicle remains composed and comfortable. Inside, the noise levels are minimal, the visibility is great, and the sense of control is absolute. And let's talk price. The M-Hero 917 starts at around $123,000 USD in China, depending on the configuration and trim level. For what it offers, 1,073 horsepower, advanced tech, luxury interior, and extreme capability, it's impressive value compared to rivals like the Hummer EV or Urus. Dongfeng has expressed plans to expand its Mengshi brand internationally, targeting markets like the Middle East and parts of Asia. If that happens, the M-Hero 917 could become one of the most recognizable symbols of China's growing dominance in the global SUV arena. So, what's the verdict? The M-Hero 917 isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a statement of engineering power and design confidence. It blends raw strength, cutting-edge technology, and futuristic style in a way that very few vehicles do. Whether you see it as a luxury performance SUV or the ultimate off-road machine, one thing's certain, it commands attention. For around $123,000, you're getting one of the boldest and most capable SUVs China has ever built, a true warrior on wheels. So what do you think, guys? Could the M-Hero 917 be the most overbuilt SUV in the world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more insane machines like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Yes, 3 times if you could, because we've got more beasts coming your way.